Hey guys, welcome back. It's a new year, new life, and new video. And today I want to share you guys something I got. As you can see, I got a pretty big box, and inside that box was another box, smaller one, and underneath the small one was another one, which was a surprise for me because I was like, oh, okay. Actually, so this company called Chalkola. It's hard for me to say because I want to say chocolate, but Chalkola contacted me and they were like, hey, would you like to try some of our products? And I'm like, yes, please, because I like to try new things and I've never heard of this company or brand before. I probably have, but as you guys know, I do more watercolor and like wet medium, so anything with chalk I am never that interested in. But they were nice enough to send me a box full of their products, or one of their products. And it's interesting because I've never thought of combining chalk and a pen before. So that's really weird for me, and I like weird, so that's perfect. And they also sent me a chalkboard, which I wasn't expecting, so I'll try the chalkboard as well. It's a pretty decent sized chalkboard. It's good for display and for signs and things like that. So all right, I guess we'll start showing off what I got. Here's the box. Chalk markers, Chalkola. And they sent me a box of 30, which I wasn't expecting. I was expecting like maybe like they were sending me like 10 or something. But here are all the colors. It's quite a few colors. Here's the back. So it kind of looks like it works like a regular pen. Like you kind of shake it and you like start like pressing on it to get it going. But here are all the colors. Look at all that. Wow. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. But let's pick one of these. I like blue. This is my signature color. So here it is. Chalk markers. It's a pretty good, decent size. And yeah, you just like, it's like a regular pen. So I guess we'll just see how this goes. Yep, there we go. You kind of see it's starting to go. It's weird. It's like it's wet, so I don't know. This is so weird. All right, continue pumping that in. Okay, so I guess we'll just start a little more. There we go. Oh my goodness, is this really chalk? It kind of feels like just like a regular, kind of like those paint markers, but it's chalk. Okay, well, that's one color. Let's try another color. Okay, so I got the pink one, and let's see. Can I like go over it? Like, kind of. Oh my god, this is a really bright pink. So it kind of does, yeah, you could kind of go over it. You can see a little bit. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna start playing with these and let's see what we come up. All right, I have the chalkboard ready and let's get started.
Inside the book that I wrote are all the words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay it down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, the sliver in the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. And you can't stop it now, 'cause you don't know how.
Okay, so I play with it on the chalkboard and I really like it. Some of them are a little more wetter, so if it's too wet, if I go over, it does bleed, but it's what you expect for wet, a really weird wet medium. Because again, it's chalk, but it's wet, so it's a little fun for me. But these are the colors that I used. This is still a little wet, so I don't want to like touch it too much, but I really like it. I'm actually surprised like lots of colors are actually quite true to what you see on the lids to what you see on the finished product, and it glides really well. Like, it's smooth and really nice. I'm pretty excited. Oh, I wanted to show you, I didn't see these. Where are they? There. When I was playing in the box with these guys were in, this was inside. So I don't know what this is, but this looks like little like name tags, like chalk name tags you can put things. So that's fun. That was in the box, and this was also in the box, and I don't know what this is. Let me see if we can open it first. There we go. So, oh, it's just this thank you. Aw, okay. We have something special. Okay, so this is just a thank you. So it says, as a token of our appreciation, you are entitled to pick a prize from our website. Okay. So that was inside. It had a lot of other information, but I think this was my prize since I got this for free. But thank you. It's really sweet. I like the little, this little face. But yeah, so this was inside, so it was like a little pocket, so if you do get this, look for the little pocket inside the box, because I didn't know until I was taking things out. But again, yeah, pretty happy. I really like it. I think I want to play with these more on paper. I still haven't, yeah, see, I scraped it big as it is chalk, so it is quite delicate. And this is smoother, so I'm gonna see how well this cleans off. So give me a second. Okay, so I just got like a wet paper towel, and let's see how well this comes off. Oh my goodness, it actually looks really cool. Oh my god. All right, wow. So that actually did pretty well. For a second I thought maybe I need like another wet cloth, but it actually took everything off as I reapply it back on. Oopsies. But no, this is great. I also like it because there's no like chalk residue, which was one of the reasons I never like using chalk. So if you have allergies or anything like that, I think this is a great thing to use. Again, I want to try on paper, probably a little later though. I think too, like if you want to do this on paper but don't want anything like smear, you can always spray it with like some setting spray. Setting spray, that's for your face, but there's this like setting spray you get for like your artwork. So if you want to keep it nice and permanent, that'd be great too. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back on my paper that I used before, and I think I like how, yeah, that's pretty good. It's actually pretty well on there. It is smudgy big as I keep touching it, but as again, you can always spray it. So I think to go with my last theme, I'll draw my cat again, but a little bit differently. So let's get started. All right, so my little doodle on the paper. I do like it. I definitely like this for the chalkboard because the chalkboard is black and then the colors just pop out, but it works really well on paper as well. I'm just not used to it, so I don't really know what to do. But I'm also just kind of freestyling this, so everything's just like, oh. But I really do like this. I like the colors a lot, and I like the pigment. Which is I guess the same as colors, isn't it? But I think this has quite a lot of potential for things. I know you can use this for other stuff. Like you put this on like, oh, I don't know. You have to go on their website. I have all the links in the description. I also have a discount code in the description too. So if you guys want to order some, go check out the discount code down below. Discount code. There we go. I can talk, which you guys should know by now. But anyways, I hope you like this video. I hope you like these products. I really like them. I might play around with them more when I have more free time. Which I'll definitely have free time for these. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, then don't do anything at all. And please leave a comment what do you think about these. And please follow Chocolate. Gosh, I always want to say chocolate. Chalkola. Please follow Chalkola on their they also have a YouTube, so go check them out. And I think they have an Instagram and other things, but again, I'll have everything in the description. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of their stuff, go and do that. And I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.